Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today I will be showing you how to easily install a dash cam on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. The setup required to install a dash cam on this Nissan Rogue is incredibly straightforward. Let's take a look at the items we'll need for this. I've got a Garmin 67 dash cam and a Dongar Technologies dash cam power adapter. What is this, you ask? Well, it's the secret sauce, a true plug-and-play solution that provides you with a USB port right up by the rearview mirror. This means no dangling cables and a guaranteed clean finish. Let me demonstrate. First, let's tilt the mirror to the side. This will give us better access to the connector going into the rearview mirror. Second, I'll simply press down on the tab and pull the connector straight out. Once disconnected, we can clearly see the 7-pin connector port. Third, I'll be installing the Dongar Technologies power adapter. I'll plug this guy into this end, and the Dongar adapter will go directly into the back of the rearview mirror, leaving us with a USB port. Before moving on to the next step, let's make sure the unit is receiving power. Go ahead and turn on the vehicle. A blue LED lights up within the USB module, confirming our unit is good to go. Next, let's grab the Garmin dashcam and one of these short-length USB cables and plug it all in. The dashcam will power up in a second, but do note that most dashcams don't come with an SD card, so make sure you grab one of those as well. Also, if you're not sure what to get, I'll leave a link to all the items used in the description below. With everything connected, all we have left to do now is to find a nice clean spot on the windshield to attach our dashcam to. As incidents on the road continue to rise, owning a dashcam has become a no-brainer. And with a product like this dashcam power adapter, setup has never been easier. So, if you're in the market for a dashcam for your Nissan Rogue or any other vehicle, check out Dongar Technologies today. And if you found this video even a little bit helpful, please consider hitting the like button or subscribing for more automotive content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.